Indi ya KIGOMANO kia ARUTWO KUUMA GITARUINI gatagati ga bururi aria mari rungu rwa mubango wa Wings to Fly bengi-ini ya EQUITY kiria kihariirio thukuru-ini wa ANAKE wa BARICHO kaunti-ini ya KIRINYAGA niguo kuhe arutwo aya motaro mbere ya macokete mathukuru-ini tamu ya keri. Kuringana na murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa KIGINA bengi-ini ino David NGATA, arutwo 69,000 mathukuru ma secondary 2,000 ni magunikite na mubango uyu.
We are having 1,400 students. These are the students from the Central Kenya region, from Meru, Nanyuki to the west, and then southwards to Kiambu. They are all gathered here for the annual conference. The program itself, since it began 15 years ago, we have supported over 60,000 students. Half of those students, 30,000, they are girls. The other half, they are boys. Nobody gets left behind, including students with disabilities. They are part of the program.
NGATA oritie arutwo aya kwiyukia mweke maeto na urito merutanirie mathomo-ini niguo gucenjia miturire yao.
These are the students who excelled very well in their primary school exams, but they come from less privileged backgrounds, and therefore they needed support. So then we can ensure nobody gets left behind, and we support them to realize their dreams and aspirations.
Do not allow anybody to steal what you have inherited, what you have acquired. Defend it, so that at the end of the day you can also hold the light for somebody else.
Murugamiriri wa University wa Kirinyaga Professor Ndungu ni atugiritie mubango wa Wings to Fly akiuga ni gunite na banene arutwo aria maumite family-ini itari na uhoti.
A man's true wealth is not what he has, but how many lives he touches. And this is just one of the few of the many thousands that have been touched by this program. Kongole Equity Group.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, GITARUINI wa AKIARIA.